Wow, welcome to the unveiling of my brand new Huion Inspiroy H610 Pro. So we are going to be working, I'm going to be showing you what's inside. I'm going to be showing you what's inside. So we have the cover removed. Thank you for choosing Huion. Alright, that's the welcome card here. So after the welcome card, this is the tablet itself, the graphics tablet itself. Wow, very clean, very nice surface. Very nice surface area. This graphics tablet itself, and these are the buttons. They're like test buttons. So we have the what do you call this? The glove, the pen glove available too. So let me put this back into the nylon. That is very nice, very thin. So this is the package, the manual, and we have here the links to the website where I'm going to download the driver. And on the side here is where we have the cord for the tablet that will go to the PC. And then we also have, I think these are charging cords for the tablets. I think so. Then we have the pen here. It's a very nice pen. So this is the cord, and these are cord mounts, I think so, for charging. And this is the pen, and this is the pen holder. So this is the pen holder, and this is used for removing the tip of the pen. It's used for removing the tip of the pen. So here, inside here, we have the pen tips, all kinds of pen tips here. You can see it here. These are the tips of the pen. This is the cover covering it right now. Okay, that's sealed, and this is the pen. So we are good to go now that we have everything we need. We are good to go with our animation business. So see you guys later, and expect some very fantastic animation from us. So thank you very much for watching my video. As always, I will watch only, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.